Okay, y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be doing that trend like where you recreate a YouTuber's like makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna be doing Daisy Marquez. Put like the video like right here. I need to figure out, I just honestly know how to edit. I don't know how to do really anything else. So I'm gonna be doing this video or this makeup look. It's her fall one.
I'm gonna kill you. It's okay. I get it. I understand if you want to kill me. But this weekend I went with Maybelline to New York. They flew me out, and just the whole weekend before that.
Edition like get ready with me tutorial, and it's just literally like a smoky eye using the Modern Renaissance palette.
I start off with moisturizing my face, especially because it is fall time and my skin does tend to get dry. So I'm starting off with these two right here. This is the Tatcha water cream, which is amazing. And then
I don't have the Tatcha water cream like moisturizer or whatever, but I do have the Clinique one. Okay, so I have this one. So she literally just puts it like all over. And she says that, you know, since it's the fall time, her skin is really dry. And honestly, that's the same with my skin. My skin is really, really dry.
For eye cream, I like to use
She's
this
gonna be using
refreshing eye cream to brighten and deep puff. So most of the times I like to use this literally right before my makeup routine.
Okay, so she's using an eye cream. I don't have that eye cream, but I have this is the avocado eye cream from Kiehl's, and she just puts this on so she can get rid of like the puffiness, redness, and all that. So okay, so there's that. My skin looks good. So Daisy is about to be using the Versailles elixir.
So moving on to primer, you guys are gonna be pretty shook. I started using the Versailles Rose Gold Elixir.
So I don't have that one, but I do have the MAC. I used the Too Faced setting spray primer, but I'm gonna be using the MAC Fix Plus to kind of prime and moisturize. And as you can see, like, my skin looks really dewy and glowy, and that's how Daisy always is. Like, her skin always looks glowy, always looks dewy, like everything. Like, her skin always looks on point.
I was like, I've heard many good things about this one.
And also, since I don't have the like elixir or whatever, it has like the gold flakes in it, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Halo Eye. It's a makeup glow. It's like the highlighters, but it's like in a cream, or a, what is it, like yeah, basically a cream form, a liquid highlighter. Daisy, if you ever see this, I don't know if you ever will, but if you ever see this, I freaking love you. I hope one day I can make it on YouTube and be like you, and I hope that we can be friends one day. We don't even have to be friends. We can just be like when we see each other, like, hey, you know? So okay, so in this video, Daisy doesn't say what, I don't think she says, it might be in the description, but
so now I'm just going to go ahead and do my face setting.
she doesn't say what foundation she uses in there, but she does love the Hourglass, so I am going to be using the Hourglass foundation just for this video because she likes it, so it's kind of like something she uses, so I'm going to be using that as my foundation. The shade that I'm in the Hourglass stick foundation is Bisque. bit of my Maybelline Superstay foundation. The reason why I like mixing these is because this is a stick foundation and I don't have a really good brush to help me like truly blend out the foundation stick without it looking streaky. So I like to add this because when I dab in this with my beauty blender, it helps to blend it out more, and it gives me more full coverage and more full. I have my beauty blender and I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Okay, so I'm quickly just gonna dab that in. I'm gonna speed up this process once I edit. Okay, so I got it all blended out. Look weird right now, but Daisy's using the
really thick and heavy moisturizing concealer.
She's using the NARS concealer, aligned. She likes this concealer, so I'm gonna be using that. And I'll be adding that before I set my face, just because I feel like sometimes it looks chalky. So I look really yellow. So I'm just gonna set all over the rest of my face. So Daisy's baking right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution banana powder to be doing that.
She was the sweetest girl
Daisy
ever.
is
She's
just
really humble and down to
bronzing
earth.
right now, so I am gonna be bronzing.
It was either.
So I'm gonna be bronzing up my face with the MAC Mineralized powder in dark. So I know I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Daisy has like the best nose as well, so I'm really gonna try and get that snatched nose. Now what I use to contour my nose with is this MAC Care Blend powder in dark. Taking my powder and I'm gonna be baking now, and I'm also gonna be cutting my cheekbones, make them look higher. And now I'm gonna be baking under the eyes. So I'm baking right now, so let's see. Okay, so I am gonna be adding some blush. My blush is gonna be this one. This is the BH Cosmetics blush quad. So I'm gonna be using this shade right here. Color.
Fall look is usually a smoky orange eye. I just love smoky orange eyes. For the fall time, pairing it with like a nude lip, or if you want to be more bold with a with a brown lip, orange would look cute too. So I'm first gonna go in with burnt orange.
So I do have the Renaissance palette. This is like my freaking holy grail. Like, I love the shit out of this palette. So on my crease,
same burnt orange with a flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. So now I'm going in with Rico.
okay, so I'm gonna take the Relgar, and she's packing that all over her lid, and then so I have that on. All Daisy did was literally line the top of her like lash line, and then so I'm gonna be doing that. It's just lining the top. Some lashes, and I'm gonna be adding my glow. So the highlighters I will be using for my look today will be these two Wet n Wild ones, and these are the Photo Focus these are the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Golden Flower Crown and Precious Petals. A pinky nude brown lip, but I'm going to be using Stone from MAC, and it's just like a brown. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, the eyes look good. I have straight hair like she had in it. Let me show you the end of the video. So she just has a smaller and prettier head than I do. I have a freaking big head and I have a big forehead. So yeah, so I just want to say thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and so yeah, if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.